After downloading and installing APowerMirror on your computer, you come and click on the app to open it. So it's right here. Okay, so then you select either with a USB connection or wireless connection. With wireless connection, you need to ensure that your mobile phone and computer are connected to the same network. Okay, so to check which network your computer is connected to, you come here in the bottom right corner, and then you can see, for this take, I'm using Airtel 4G MiFi as my connection. So I'll come and select here to connect our mobile phone so that it can be able to connect to the computer here. So to mirror your mobile phone to your computer, after downloading the app on your mobile phone, you click on the app once and it will open. Having emphasized that both your computer and mobile phone need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Okay, so after opening, then you can click here on local cast for it to search a device that is connected to the same network. So right here you can see APowerSoft Edward, that is the name of my computer, and when I click on it, it will ask whether I want to mirror phone to PC or mirror PC to phone. So for this example, we're going to mirror phone to PC, and then it will bring you this notice that it will start recording with APowerMirror. You can grant it access. You can click to start now. As you can see, now my mobile phone is mirroring on the computer, and every change that I am doing, I'm scrolling right now on the mobile phone. It is what is showing on the computer. Okay, so those are the simple steps that you can do to ensure that you mirror and show whatever is on your mobile phone to appear on your computer. This is if you want to project it to a bigger audience on a projector. This is how you can mirror your phone. The key things are: download APowerMirror both on your phone and your computer, and ensure that you are connected to the same network so that you can have a seamless experience. I can try just to open any of these apps, and you see, for example, if I open this Chelsea app, it's able to display the information as it is on my mobile phone on the computer. Thank you.